Good afternoon, everybody. I am student meteorologist Justin Williams here to give you your North Georgia weather forecast. Behind me here is your current temperature map over North Georgia, and we are all sitting in the 80s except for Blairsville. They're normally the loner, usually a couple degrees less than everybody else. But up here in Northwest Georgia, you guys are floating in the lower 80s due to some enhanced cloud cover and some rainfall coming your way, especially out here in the western parts of Georgia. You guys got some rain that's heading your way. And as we go into today, that's going to be decreasing our temperatures to a modest mid-80s for most of the region. Along with this increased rainfall chances by the end of the day is this humidity. We are spiking in humidity to dew points into your 70s by the end of the day. And this is just going to be relentless all the way through to your weekend into Monday and Tuesday of next week. You guys are going to have heat indexes well into the upper 90s, maybe even triple digits going into Saturday and Sunday because of this. Going into your forecast and radar and clouds. Why is this? Well, you guys got a big clump of clouds and rainfall that's really just sitting over the northern part of Georgia. And as you go on into today, you got a clump that's really starting to become well developed here south of Athens and Atlanta. And as you go on in, it's going to be trying to make its way on out, even giving some spotty showers and thunderstorms to northwest parts of Georgia. And by Friday morning, it's going to be on out of here. We're going to have partly to mostly cloudy skies over our region. And really going on out to your southeastern look here, you can see a lot of the region is experiencing really some scattered thunderstorms, isolated thunderstorms throughout the day going into Friday evening. But your QPF totals here, for most part, North Georgia is going to be pretty clear of your heavy rainfall totals. Most of that's going to be on your southeast coast here with rainfall totals up to 1.5 inches along the southeast coast of the Atlantic Ocean. But up here in North Georgia here, about 1/2 inch is expected. Some localized areas could see up to 1 inch in some places. But tonight's forecast, we're going to be dipping down to about 73 degrees. Most of North Georgia will be in the lower 70s. Some high humidities, though, it's going to be really keeping us from dipping down in the upper 60s, maybe except for Blairsville. You guys might see upper 60s tonight. As you go into tomorrow, though, still mostly cloudy to partly cloudy skies with some scattered showers. You can't rule those out, especially with this system moving its way on out with highs on into 90 degrees for most of the region, especially here in Athens. Going into your 7-day forecast, though, here we go. We got a warming trend going into the weekend, along with that humidity trend just staying steady at 70 degrees here in terms of dew points. It is going to be a hot one this weekend, as you go on into Saturday and Sunday, temperatures might be 95 degrees, but those heat indexes are going to be probably exceeding 100 degrees, especially going into Monday and Tuesday here as those storms really just try to make their way on through. It's going to be hot then as well. And as you go into Wednesday and Thursday, that's when the actual temperatures start cranking up. Your high temperatures really trying to make a run for the upper 90s again, maybe even trying to exceed triple digits once more, just like how we did earlier this week. Once again, I am student meteorologist Justin Williams, and go Dogs.